Can Forum Energy Metals Core skyrocket and provide life-changing returns? On this channel, we look at early stage, beaten down, undiscovered, unloved assets that are like balls being held underwater that can just skyrocket and provide life-changing returns once the market realizes and understands their potential, right? So today it's Forum Energy Metals Core. Here's the price chart. So has it skyrocketed before and provided life-changing returns? It has, right? In 2004, it was $1.50. In 2007, it hit $14. So that's a massive return. Can we see the exact same return for this company again, right? That is the question, right? That's the beauty of looking at these early stage uranium miners. They have explosive potential upside. We know uranium is the fuel that's going to power the nuclear renaissance. We know everything in the future is practically going to be running on nuclear, right? Including artificial intelligence. So this is what the company is all about. So they're in the Thalen Basin, right? So this is where the Thalen Basin is in relation to the Athabasca Basin. I mean, the Athabasca Basin is like the Saudi Arabia of uranium. The Thalen Basin is a geologic analog to the Athabasca Basin, underexplored, similar to the Athabasca Basin in the 1970s. And so this is what the company is all about, right? They have mining rights in the green shaded area. That's the Forum property. The Orano property is in brown. And the Orano property has 133 million pounds of uranium, equivalent to a 4.5 million ounce gold deposit, right? So what they've done is buy the surrounding land around this incredibly robust find, right? And presumably they're going to be exploring the green shaded area, right? So if they do find a lot of uranium, that will be massive. So Kigavik is the name of the Orano resource, right? That has 133 million pounds of uranium in it. Let's compare Kigavik's geology to Forum's, right? Basement hosted uranium at Kigavik is identical in alteration, structure, and mineralization style to Forum's Tadagak, Kavik, etc. Interesting. So all Kigavik deposits are within significant gravity low anomalies. 95% of all anomalies tested were significant alteration. 80% of known anomalies have uranium mineralization. That's pretty massive. 4 are significant deposits. 3 are prospects requiring more drilling. So Forum's property has over 20 anomalies. Most are untested, so that's pretty convincing, right? 80% of Kigavik's anomalies have uranium mineralization. Forum's property has over 20 of these anomalies, right? They're still untested though. So this is where the early stage, high risk, high reward comes in for this company. The market cap is $30 million, right? So if they can find $1 billion of uranium in the ground, then this company can skyrocket, right? So this is the history and near-term future of this company. In Q1 2024, they built their team. In Q2, they created a camp. In Q3, they drilled 7,000 meters, 5 targets, 30 drill holes. And in Q4, synthesis reporting. And then Q1 2025, logistics preparation, mobilization. One of their properties is the Kavik grid. Cameco previously drilled 27 holes into the deposit and intersected uranium to a depth of 400 meters. The steep nature of the lenses and northwest offsets will require detailed drilling to determine the full size of this mineralized area. And so that's the nature of this company. We don't know what they're going to find. It looks very promising. If they do find uranium, then this thing will absolutely skyrocket, right? It's a big if. Maybe the odds favor them actually finding something, but it doesn't mean it's not extremely risky. So let's see where they are with their financials. Here's the balance sheet. Current assets, $5.3 million. Current liabilities, $3 million. That's kind of brutal, right? That's as of August 31, 2024. They have a tiny expiration budget. They said 10 million. As of August 31, 2024, they only have net current assets of $2 million. So it's likely they're probably going to have to dilute their shareholders. They're really banking on some seriously positive news. Market cap is 30 million, so they have more leeway to issue more shares and potentially find uranium. So just like all early stage exploration companies, it's extremely risky. If they strike the mother lode, it can skyrocket, but they're going to have to probably continue diluting their shares because they only have, as of August 31, $2 million on hand. Not very much. right? So they better get some seriously good results soon. Maybe the shares will pump. If they do get a good result, then they're going to have to issue more shares most likely. But that's the reality of investing in early stage uranium miners. Extremely risky, but incredibly rewarding if they actually find anything. So that's where we are with this high risk, high reward company.